The most popular logical function used in Excel is an if function. The situation I've created for you here is we have a series of months, and each month I've budgeted to spend so much, and each month I've recorded how much I've actually spent. And what I'd like to do in E3 is to show a status. I'd like to use an if function that says if actual is greater than budgeted, then I'm in trouble, otherwise I'm okay. So in E3 I'm going to ask you to type equals if, open bracket. At this point Excel is saying it needs a test. The test I'd like you to enter is if D3 is greater than C3, and then press comma. Now it wants to know what do you want to do if that's true. What if D3 is greater than C3? Well, if D3 is greater than C3, then I want to show over budget, and because that's text I've got to put it in double quotes. So double quote and over budget, double quote, comma. But if that's false, then I want to see under budget. So if D3 is greater than C3, if that's true, show over budget. If that's false, show under budget. Enter. And I'm under budget for January because I've only spent 200 and my budget was 1500. If I click on E3 and then double click the thin cross, it'll fill the formula down. And I can double click the line between column letters E and F to best fit the column. I'd like to extend this exercise a little further. Click in E2, drag the thin black cross to the right so that status appears in F2. In the cell F3, enter the following if function, equals if, open bracket. Do the same test. If D3 is greater than C3, comma. If that's true, I actually want to see by how much I've blown the budget. So I want to put a formula in at this point, and the formula is C3 minus D3. I don't put double quotes because I want it to calculate C3 minus D3. But if that's false, comma, I want it to say under budget. So double quote under budget. So if D3 is greater than C3, calculate C3 minus D3, otherwise show me under budget, and enter. I'll just double click the line between F and G to widen the column, and then I'll click on F3 and double click the thin cross to fill that down. Where I'm over budget, I'm actually seeing by how much, otherwise I see under budget.